Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be reviewing again a humidifier, but a bigger one. This is called the air cooler fan. What a original name. We have a 3-speed wind control, 7 ambient color lights, 5-speed spray control, and 3-time shutdown. 3 times? What? I'm guessing there's time. Okay, you can see air cooler fan in colors. I don't know what mine is. Tips. I'm not gonna tell what the tips are. You can just read it yourself. And you can see you can place it wherever you want. Without further ado, let's get it open. Come out. We don't need the box anymore. Before throwing away the box, let's see what's inside the box. It's paper. I'm guessing instructions. Yeah, instructions. No need instructions. So let's unwrap this fella. Well, here's our big humidifier. It's big. It's at least bigger than my normal humidifier. The last review one that I review, it's quite big, and it also has a fan, so it can blow the cool air at you. I'm gonna keep him aside. This didn't came with a power bank. Okay, where is it? Is it inside? I'm a genius. Come here. I'm gonna close this up for now. I'm gonna take my USB. It's a USB-C. Look, it's a USB-C. So I'm gonna take my power bank and I'm gonna plug it in. And this humidifier won't even fit in my frame. It's so big. Plug it in. Now if I should, yes, there we go. We have 3 speeds for our fan, as you can see. We have, I'm not gonna press the humidifier yet, I will put it at last. We have LEDs. Where are the LEDs? Have I been lied to? There are no LEDs. That's just shit. But okay. I'm guessing this is a timer. So let's say it didn't say how much one was. So I'm guessing these 3 dots are equal 3 minutes, I guess. And let's put some water and see. I'm going to turn this off so I don't electrocute myself somehow. I have a big chungus. That's enough water. I'm gonna close this back up. And also this has also a strap in the back. Come out. I need to unplug this. There we go. So you can carry this around near to your bed or to the dining table, whether you prefer sleeping or another place else. I'm gonna plug this back in. Okay, now I'm going to power on the fan because it's very hot, and I'm going to press the humidifier button. Oh, so there's 3 buttons. Oh, I already feel the cold. It's nice. As you can see, it's very nice compared to this little one. This only humidifies. This gives out the cold. And today I didn't even spill any water. And before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. And bye.